This brand is available worldwide through authorized contractors. All of the units feature self-cleaning coated coils for corrosion resistance as well as the ability to be controlled through a smartphone. They feature state-of-the-art electronic expansion valves for refrigerant, and they are backed by a very good guarantee. The HFV3 models are basic single-zone heat pumps with a 17 SEER efficiency rating. They have 4-way auto swing louvers to provide better airflow and more consistent temperatures throughout the room. The HEV2 Mega Series offers single-zone units with a 22.5 SEER that use 208/230 volt power, while the HXV2 models are 115 volt systems. The Multi-F and Multi-F Max models are multi-zone units that can serve up to 8 indoor units from a single outdoor unit. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.